ọ̀rọ̀ ti jáde o látọ̀dọ̀ Prophet Tibetan padà sọ́dọ̀ Asabe Africa àti Tìmílẹ́yìn. Bàbá yìí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí 65.5 million naira scandal tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí Asabe Africa TV fi ń interview Tìmílẹ́yìn David lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn níbi tí Tìmílẹ́yìn David ti sọ pé àfi kóun gba owó òun o ebe kí bàbá Tibetan wá bí wọ́n ṣe máa san owó òun padà. Bàbá yìí ti wá ṣàlàyé gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe lọ, ẹni tí wọ́n san owó fún pé owó yẹn kàn gba àkáǹtì àwọn kọjá ni o pé ó lè lọ gba owó ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ màmá Akítàndé, ìyẹn Mrs Akítàndé tó talẹ̀ gangan. Wọ́n ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ tí mo sì máa mú fọ́nrán ẹ̀ wá fún yín tẹ́ máa fi ara balẹ̀ gbọ́n. Wọ́n wá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí bí wọ́n ṣe ran Asabe Africa lọ́wọ́ títí tó fi dé ibi tó dé lónìí pé àtinú ìjọ wọn náà ni Asabe Africa ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Bàbá yìí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí bí Asabe Africa TV àtàwọn èèyàn ṣe àti àwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe rí ìrànlọ́wọ́ nínú ìjọ kó tó di pé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí àwọn ohun tó pa wọ́n pọ̀ láàrin Tìmílẹ́yìn David kó tó di pé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun tó pa wọ́n pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Tìmílẹ́yìn David lórí ọ̀rọ̀ 65.5 million. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kankan wà tán sọ tó ṣe rẹ́gí pẹ̀lú ohun tí Tìmílẹ́yìn yẹn sọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n refute àwọn claims kan tí Tìmílẹ́yìn yẹn sọ tó dàbí ẹni pé Tìmílẹ́yìn yẹn ń pa irọ́ ni. Ẹ̀yin náà àfi kẹ́ ẹ fi tí ara yín gbọ́ o kí ẹ lè mọ bí ẹ ṣe máa respond sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára díẹ̀, àmọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ níparí ẹ̀ náà lọ́ọ̀yà náà ló yẹ kó parí ẹ̀. Bàbá Tibetan sọ gbogbo bí wọ́n ṣe ran Tìmílẹ́yìn David lọ́wọ́ láti ṣe NYSC l'Àbújá àti bó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ralẹ̀ tí tó fi débi ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ rírà. Wọ́n láwọn ò tiẹ̀ polówó ilẹ̀ fún, wọ́n ní fúnra rẹ̀ ló wá bá wọn. Wọ́n ṣàlàyé bó ṣe wá bá wọn fúnra rẹ̀ ní àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀pẹ̀. Wọ́n láwọn ò mọ̀rí láti anywhere. Lóòótọ́ Tìmílẹ́yìn náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé òun fúnra rẹ̀ òun lòun fẹsẹ̀ rìn lọ bá bàbá Tibetan. Bàbá yìí dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó wà lórí àwọn mistakes kan tó wà lórí document àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Welcome to Digi Naija. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tí bàbá Tibetan ní sọ fún wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ 65.5 million naira scandal, owó ilẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn Mrs Akítàndé àti Tìmílẹ́yìn David.
After the launching, Tìmílẹ́yìn now asked me if I can help him to talk to the woman that is interested in the land. I never brought anything about land.
You mean you are not the one who...
Ṣé àgbẹ̀ tí bàbá yẹn sọ pé àwọn kọ́ làwọn mú
No, he said
ọ̀rọ̀ lè wá
the
fún.
land this woman advertised, it's just there. So he said, I said, okay, don't worry, I can talk to the woman, but
Ó ní bàbá yìí tún sọ yìí o pé màmá yẹn ló advertise ilẹ̀ kò ń ṣàwọn làwọn sọ pé ó yá Tìmílẹ́yìn wá ra ilẹ̀ ọláwọn kọ́ làwọn initiate ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ ọlọ́run fúnra rẹ̀ ló decide pé òun fẹ́ ra ilẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ màmá yẹn tó wá bá wọn. Mo rò pé ẹgẹ́ ti gbogbo bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe lọ ẹgẹ́ sì kan tí Tìmílẹ́yìn sọ ní ọ̀dà fídíò.
Let me tell you the bitter truth, my son. You said you want to make me your father. Don't pay the money directly to Akítàndé. Pay the money to my account. I will send Wale to go on the table and bring the printers. So the money went through UBA to the account.
So that you can be the intermediary.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. So the woman will not say you didn't pay money or you pay money, because I knew they will still fall back to where they met.
You can hear the facts now. You don't
they will still fall back to where
so
they
ó wà
met.
intentional pé bàbá yìí decide láti play intermediary from his own perspective pé so that kí issue bá wà nítorí pé òun mọ̀ pé wọ́n ṣe máa padà wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ òun according to what he said. Wọ́n kílẹ̀ yín rò nípa elémọ́gẹ́gẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n owó fọ́nrán yìí nítorí ṣe díẹ̀ tẹ́ máa rí àwọn more information nípa nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ.
So then later, when we finish those one, then they go into dialogue. Then I remitted the first batch.
Sir, please, sir. The money, is it paid in batch or pay at the same time?
The money was paid twice.
Twice.
Yeah, even it's 3 times.
3 times.
Then the first one was remitted. Then the second one, was remitted. Let me tell Wale to go and bring the. You will see how it was remitted.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
then
There's a proof for it. That's
yes,
what the prophet is telling you.
Niki Wale Lomuwa at the table. So automatically, then they removed the money. I sent it to the woman. The woman said he acknowledged it. Immediately, when they did the whole thing, they remitted the first 30-something million. So the woman said he saw the money. So after a while, I now remitted the same week. I remitted the rest. So they got the money. So I told the woman, please, liaise with the boy very well. And then even the land you sold to the man, he can even help you to, he lives in Abuja. Oh, he said, I didn't know he's living in Abuja. That was all. So after a while, the boy said, you need a lawyer to come into this matter. I said, but the woman in question said, his lawyer is going to take charge. The one he brought to me, my own receipt I signed for, I paid for the lawyer fee. So it's only one lawyer can handle the two transactions. So automatically I pay for my own. I pay lawyer fee. I pay for the Lagos State, I paid everything. So when it's time, if you want to bring your lawyer, that will be when you are selling your plots. When you are selling to people. But this one said he has his own certified lawyer. Let us try and use his lawyer. And that's all. And they gave him
you not say more than that. Not
that is little. He brought the idea, and then I explained that the one is given to me, the one I bought, the one I paid. I've talked to the lawyer. The lawyer has even called me before he wrote my name on his receipt. So that's all. So now that's we end everything. Then later the boy now came. He said Timileyin, not Timileyin. The woman wrote Y-I-N.
Tìmílẹ́yìn náà sọ̀rọ̀ mistake tó wà lórí dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì yìí so ẹ rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn méjì ó tally in this regard ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe máa gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí lọ ẹ jẹ́ máa wò lọ.
I don't think that concerns me again. That never concerns me. Odugo never concerns me. Because why? I didn't collect commission from Timileyin. I didn't collect commission from Akintonde. So I don't have any business with the land. I'm not the land seller. I'm not the land buyer. I'm not the land grabber. So from there, Timileyin now said he should go and correct the acre and the name. I said, okay. Madam, you can send the paper through the DHL to the board. But he said, even Timileyin said, I can sign for him. I said, no, I can't sign for you. Sign your document. He said, okay, daddy. That's all. Then once he said that, before I said, even though if you travel, I can keep the paper. Maybe you want to sell your land tomorrow, this and that, because when you get to abroad, I want you to go and study more on construction and civil engineering in Texas. So that's the advice I gave to you. And then
never advise him to put your name there.
No. How can you put my name?
He was saying he said you should write your name.
I cannot write. How can I write my name? Is on his document.
Because you are not the owner.
He may likely wanted to have what happened. Will I lie? The land is not lost. The woman is not dead. Then why am I lying?
Nínú fọ́nrán yìí ohun tẹ́ máa rí ni pé bàbá yìí fẹ́ kí Tìmílẹ́yìn lọ gba ilẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti rà fún lọ́wọ́ Mr. Akíntàndé bó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ó máa mú kọ́sítọ́mà wá ni tí wọ́n máa bá gẹ̀ẹ́tì ilẹ̀ déédéé náà ni. Àmọ́ èyí tó tún wá ṣe pàtàkì ni pé Tìmílẹ́yìn ó dà pé ó fi tọmọdé bọ̀ láwọn ibì kan tá a bá fẹ́ wò ó ní ohun tí bàbá yìí sọ àti ohun tí Tìmílẹ́yìn náà sọ. Níbi tọ́rọ̀ dé dúró báyìí àfi kí wọ́n involve àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà àwọn amòfin wọn á mọ ibi tí wọ́n máa gbé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbà tí ò fi ní kọjá ibi tó dé lọ́wọ́ báyìí nítorí tẹ́ bá ní kẹ́ ẹ wò dáadáa owó yìí kò ń ṣe owó kékeré o owó tó pọ̀ ni so nǹkan tó bá ti lè múyàn tí wọ́n bá ti wà involved nínú irú owó báyìí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan ló lè ta báyàn Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká kàbùkù ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kọjá ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá yìí ṣe sọ wípé àwọn nǹkan kan tún wà tó so mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí nípa ti Asabe Africa TV àmọ́ kí lè ro tiyín ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ lẹ gbàgbọ́ kí gbogbo nǹkan tí Tìmílẹ́yìn David sọ nínú ẹ́písòdù wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣé gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ gbàgbọ́ ṣé àmọ́ pé kò sẹ́ni tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tó máa fẹ́ parọ́ mọ́ra ẹ̀ kò dẹ̀ sẹ́ni tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tí kò ní fẹ́ kí wọ́n dáhùn láre tó òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn ẹ drop comment yín remember to like share and follow us thanks for watching Digi Naija bye for now.